This is how I found a short setup with our indicators. On the 1 hour time frame, I was seeing we are getting overvalued. So I searched for a supply zone. The first supply zone is here, the highlighted candle. So I selected that and looked on other time frames to find the real imbalance. And for me, that was the 90-minute here. So I set up my sell limit with the stop 33% above the zone, and I was targeting this level right here. So 4.75 hours. Let's see what happened. You see, immediate reaction and take profit. This is how good our indicators work.